welcome back to my channel. This is the new type of video. Every day I can do tutorials. So basically I can make a post or remove a tutorial on WordPress, something like that, every single day. So you can see my new playlist under my home section, tutorials, so you can find out those videos. I'm going to cover how you can find a free post for your website, how you can build a website, and how you can promote your affiliate offers and everything. All right guys, this is the one of the website I'm currently building. It's called Science for You. Basically is some science subject and putting posters an all three subject and promoting the affiliate offers. This website, basically what I do, basically I promote books and scientific equipment from website in Amazon and other website. Also I'm putting banner advert for the teachers who want to teach online, so they can pay me a couple hundred per month. I can put their banners here, so something like that. Already I'm teaching some students, so it's better I have some knowledge how to run this website. So what is this tutorial? 3 tutorials about removing category title from your post page. So if you go to this one of the posts I uploaded, this is the one problem for everyone. So see that from here, called category. We don't want that. That's the inappropriate, and nobody like it. And you don't need the biology also, because they are in the biology section, and here is already showing the biology. You don't need this category section, because most people said go to the if they look at other videos, they suggest to remove the code from the theme itself. But if you don't know about the coding like me, if you messed up the theme, then everything goes to hell. This happened in my past website. So I don't touch the theme coding, or I don't delete, or I don't add anything to the actual coding. But what I do I go here, customize. In your theme side, if you go to click the customize section here, it will take to your additional CSS. If you say, for example, here, if we come to your customize section, is in the bottom, it called additional CSS. The code I put you in the description, just copy and paste it, or you can find the code by looking at one of the easy way you can find here. If we go to this actual website and right click that and go to inspect, it will open the coding section here. So what you have to do is click here and click the category, and it will open here. What you have to do is type display on. Voila, it's gone. But you can do that for others, such as you can increase the size of the banner, reduce the size, all the navigation. You can do that, but you have to learn the actual word like display on. You can learn that as easily. But the code I'm going to use here is here. The way I show here, display on, I just copy and put it here as an CSS. So for example, copy this one and go here and put it here. It's gone. Then click publish. It will come out here and refresh the page. It's gone. So thanks guys for watching my videos. Watch out for my tutorials. I will make WordPress tutorials, YouTube tutorial in future. Subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and like my videos and share my videos. Also join my Instagram and my Facebook group. Also, if you're new to my channel, or if you want to make video on certain topic, please put me in the comment section. Also write me how can I improve these videos. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe. Woo!